Hi, my name is Joanne Ryshpan-Harris, and I'm the CEO of Ryshpan.com. Welcome back if you watched the first part of this mini-series on restaurant marketing tips. Today I want to get a little bit more into the service part of the business and how to maintain your customers. And I have 3 words for you: service, service, service. That's all you have to remember is service. Why? Because when I go to a restaurant, I want to be treated well. Even if it's a little diner, I want to be treated well. I want to know that my server is listening to me. I want to know that my server is interested in giving me what I want and interested in getting a nice tip from me. Okay? And I like to tip. I like to tip big. Okay? I don't like when, a server is not doing their job. Okay? It turns me off completely. And then if the food's bad, then I'm really not going to come back to your establishment. So we want to remember that what I order and who I order from is the person who's going to be smiling and telling me, "Hey, how are you today?" Great. May I tell you my specials? Yes, you may. Can I help you? And they're also going to pick up on cues from the customers. If the customer's in a rush, they don't want to be standing there giving them, 15 minutes of menu for, like one day kind of thing, right? They want their service, they want to get in, they want to get out. Now, these days, they want to pick up their takeout food, they want the order to be right, and they want it repeated to them. When I call a restaurant to make an order, I go, "Hi, how are you?" "Great." "Okay, I need 1 grilled cheese, I need 1 soda, and I need 1 fries. Could you repeat that to me, please?" "Yes." Another trick is, "Hi, where did you hear about us?" Because where they heard about you, if it's on social media or not, is what you want to know, because you want to know if your message is getting out there, right? You want to make sure that your staff is trained not only to repeat what I ordered over the phone, where you heard about your restaurant, and also you want to know that they got the payment information correct. So, is it a Visa or MasterCard? It's a Visa. Give them the number, right? Then I want you to repeat it back to me without me asking you. Then I want you to tell me, "Is that all I can get you? Would you like something else?" One of the things I learned when I was really young, I was working at McDonald's, was upselling. McDonald's is famous for that. That's how they did it. And that's how they always do it. Would you like a fry with that? Would you like a hamburger with that? And I also learned that when you give that takeout order, make sure that your logo is facing the customer. That's what I learned at McDonald's. Very basic stuff. But guess what? That sells your merchandise. That sells your food, okay? And maybe a little bit more, because upselling is really important. Email addresses, mailers, good staff training, all of that is really important. Hey, at the end of the meal, why do you think when you go into a restaurant like Applebee's, in the end, how did our server do? We want to know, how did you do? We want to know what your email address was, so we can send you more information about our restaurant. We can send you offers. We can do all sorts of things with that email address. Email addresses are important. Also, birthday clubs. Birthday clubs are important. Okay? Offer free ice cream, free fry, free drink, free meal. That's what keeps your customers coming back. Good food is, of course. You gotta have good food. But mostly, you want your customers to keep coming back. And the way to do that is with great customer service. And hey, if you got somebody who comes in regularly, try to remember their first name. "Hey, Joe, how you doing?" This makes a difference. This gives them a reason to come there because they feel like it's their place. And believe me, that's really important. That's all I have to say for now. Join us for our third session of our mini tips for restaurants. You want to talk to us? We're available. Free consult, www.ryshpan.com. Thank you very much, and I hope you'll join us for your next one.